And she said the pussy so great. How you deal with all that hate? Shut a bitch now, give me my grade. Dog gang signs number 2.
Gonna answer me, always wanna chill with me. Bet you gonna lie with me, always have a smile with me. You be on the phone with me, trust me baby, you gon' see. I'ma be cruel, I'ma do you.
Who the F is Becca? Let's talk about it. It's your girl Becca back on the scene with another video. Like I never left. I know it's been a long time coming, but I'm back, okay? I'm coming to you guys with how to dye your 613 bundles using the watercolor method. It's highly requested, highly awaited, and here it comes, okay? So just stay tuned. First and foremost, you're gonna need your color. The color that I use to dye these bundles are from the Kiss line. I like working with them, but basically you would need a certain amount of color based on the bundles that you have. I had 3 bundles and a closure. I was making roommate a wig. I find that these colors work best with the water method, as well as a door. The Kiss Tintation, the ALIEXPRESS, and the Adore work best with the water. So those are the colors that I recommend. So if you're dyeing your 613 bundles, these are the brands that I recommend for you. These are the ones that give you the best color. 613 bundles will give you the color that you desire. If you're dyeing your hair black, from black to blonde, you have to reach it to the brightest of blonde to achieve these colors, or it will not show as much. Do not get mad at me because I'm telling you what it is, okay? I'm also just showing you the items that you will need in order to dye. It's pretty self-explanatory. You just need a basin that you really don't care about for you to dip the hair and put the water and the color. So I wouldn't recommend you go and get in your mom's pot because you know she's gonna yell at you. Go get something that she don't really care about and use that to dye the hair. Okay, so here I am doing a strand test. I recommend you do this. You don't want to take all your bundles and then dip it in the water and then it don't come out to be the color that you want, because then you're gonna be mad. So in order to avoid that, I recommend you doing strip tests, and that's what I did. I just took a little track off of the bundle and cut it so I can do my strand test. Okay, so also you want to do this with boiling hot water. You don't have to do it with boiling hot water, but the color is easy to absorb in the hair if the water is boiling hot. If you do it with like regular room temperature water, then the might take longer to get on the hair and all this other stuff. To make the process fast and easy, you just boil a big old pot of water, and be careful because it's hot. So I just pour the water into this white little cooking thing that I bought from the dollar store. And yeah, right now it's kind of trial and error. I'm seeing what color I want, by adding drops and mixing, just seeing what color I'm desiring to look for. Like my roommate, she wanted more of like an indigo kind of color. So I mixed the blue black with the navy blue to achieve that very color. Like I said, the proportion of color is completely up to you. It's all based on what color you're trying to get. If you're trying to get this color, then I guess you could watch exactly what I'm doing. But I can't really say, oh, this is the measurement that I use, because I basically really eyed it out. And once I did that, I dipped the strand in there, and I liked how the color looked. It was the color that she liked. So I proceeded to dump the whole bundle into the blue water.
I was ready to blow me down.
So like I said, I just kept, adding the color as I go to do, get the desired color that I want. And once I did, I let the bundle sit in the hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes so all of the color can absorb into the hair. Once that was done, I took out the bundle and I let it sit on the towel, and I'm just showing you guys the color that I got with the flash so you guys can see the blue a lot better. So yeah, I just continued the process with the rest of the bundles. And I recommend you open all the bundles. Don't just dip it in like I did, because you know you're gonna have to open it anyway. So you don't want any like blonde spots. You want the color to come out even. So yeah, that's what I did. And yeah. Okay, so this part is a little bit tricky. If you don't know what you're doing, you just basically spray the closure with some got2b freezing spray if you have that, and let it dry. And then this will stop the lace from turning the color that you're trying to dye the 613 hair. I repeat, make sure you spray the frontal or closure, or you gonna be tight, like mad. You don't want to have no blue scalp. Okay, so now it was time for me to make my wig, and I'm not gonna get into detail as to how I construct my wigs. I'm just giving you guys like a little basis of exactly what I did. But if you guys want a more in-depth tutorial on how I do my wigs, then let me know. And please don't come for me with the white thing on my lip. I have cold sores, you know, so I had a bead on my lip. Don't come for me unless I sent for you. This is me just showing you guys a little bit of me stitching my wigs. If you guys are interested in more of my hair work, you guys can follow my hair Instagram at __touchedbyB, okay?
With our feet on the ground, and we will talk with our head in the clouds, and we will walk with.
And I'm just showing you guys the process as I go on, you know, neat stitching, everything flat, everything a go. Yes, sis, fuck it up. And then I finally show you guys it completely done. I had to braid my roommate's hair. Her hair was really long. I just have a picture of that. And then a slow-mo of the completed wig. You know, I wish I had like an actual better picture of it, but I didn't, so I can't really show you that. Overall, my good sis loved the wig. She brought in her 20th birthday the right way. Okay, serving all types of looks. And yes, serving scalp, hunty, yes. Like I said, if you in the New York City or Buffalo area, go ahead and follow me at __touchedbyB and come get touched by me, okay? All right, you guys, that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna keep you guys any longer. If you guys would like more hair videos, hair tutorials, go ahead and comment down below what you want to see. I'll be sure to help you guys. Happy to help you guys. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you already not. And I'll catch y'all back in my next video, okay? Okay.
One time for them, one time for them. I'ma do it one time for them, yeah. Look, nigga, I really been feeling good lately. I've been on my grind and somehow niggas still hate me. I came from the bottom.